afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, Miss. We are the Group 3, and this is Brandon, Peter, and Augusto from Group 3. And this is our report. So, question number 1. Maximum of z is equals to 10x plus 8y. So, but pasabot ani unsa ang pagkuha ang maximum sa z is equals to 10x plus 8y. Nya, is the 4x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. Yeah, 2x plus 4y is less than or equal to 14. Yeah, x and y is greater than or equal to 0. So, group mates, please tell us our answers and discuss our answers.
First equation, 4x plus 2y less than 10. Let's find the x first. Is equal to 0. 4, 0 plus 2y is equal to 10. Let's divide 2y equals 10. Divide both by 2 equals 5. Yeah. Let's find the y. Y is equivalent to 0. 4x plus 2, 0 is equal to 10. 4 divided by 4 times 0 is equals to 0. Yeah. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 2.5. The second equation, 2x plus 2y less than 14. Let's find the 0. 2, 0 plus 4y is equal to 14. 4 y is equal to 14. Divided by 4 is equal to y is equal to 3.5. Let's find out y. Y is equal to 0. 2x plus 40 is equal to 14. 2x equal 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7.
Next, for the graph of number 2, please discuss Mericor Corbo.
So we already have coordinates, so we have to identify the location point on a graph. So we have here open parenthesis 0, 5 close parenthesis, and open parenthesis 2, 3 close parenthesis. So, and open parenthesis 7, 0 close parenthesis, and open parenthesis 3.5, 0 close parenthesis, and lastly open parenthesis 0, 3.5 close parenthesis. First, we're going to find where is the location of these coordinates. 3.5, 0, and the second one is the 2, 3, and the third one is 7, 0. And so we are going to make a line of this, and the second we are going to find the location point is 0, 5, and the second one is 0, 3.5, and so we're going to make a line again. So you have the visible region.
So next reporter, please continue the last part of the number 1, getting the solution set of the LP model. So please proceed.
So corner points, vertices 0 and 5, 2 and 3, and 7 and 0. Maximum z equals 10x plus 8y. So z equals 10 times 0 plus 8 times 5. So 0 plus 40 equals 40. So 10 times 2 plus 8 times 3 equal. So 10 times 2 equals 20 and 8 times 3 equals 24. Equal 20 plus 24 equals 44. So and last is z equals 10 times 7 plus 8 times 0. So 10 times 7 equals 70 and 8 times 0 equals 0. So 70 plus 0 equals 70. The solution set of the LP model is x equals 7, y equals 0, and z equals 70.
So that's all for number 1. So we can proceed now for number 2. And this is the question. La Puebla Sand and Gravel Corporation manufactures bags of concrete mix from beach sand and river sand. Each cubic meter of beach sand costs 60 pesos and contains 4 units of fine sand, 3 units of coarse sand, and 5 units of gravel. Each cubic meter of river sand costs 100 pesos and contains 3 units of fine sand, 6 units of coarse sands, and 2 units of gravel. Each bag of concrete must contain at least 12 units of fine sand, 12 units of coarse sand, and 10 units of gravel. Find the best combination of beach sand and river sand which will meet the minimum requirements of fine sand, coarse sand, and gravel at least cost.
Beach sand, river sand, fine sand 4 units, 3 units, coarse sand 3 units, then 6 units, gravel 5 units, 2 units. And the cost of the beach sand is 60 and the river sand is 100. And the requirements of fine sand is 12 units and the coarse sand is 12 units and the last is 10 units of gravel.
Next reporter, please proceed.
So, what's up again? You may see the problem here, down here, or I don't know where to put. Let's start. X number of beach sand to be purchased, and Y number of river sand to be purchased. 60x equals cost of buying beach sand, and Y 100y cost of buying river sand. Total of 60x plus 100y. Let's find the C or cost, the mean cost. The solution is 4x plus 3y and equals to 12, or what you call this again, I forget. X 4 plus 3y greater than equals 12. 3x plus 6y greater than equals 12. 5x plus 2y is greater than 10. Y and x are greater equals 10. So that's all, and thank you.
So number 2, in this number, there are 3 problems that need to be solved. So the first one is 4x plus 3y is less than or equal to 12. So this will be 4x plus 3y equals 12. And the second one is 3x plus 6y is less than or equal to 12. Then this will be 3x plus 6y is equal to 12. So the third one is 5x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10, which will be 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. So in order to get the value, you need to choose first whether you want to get the x value first or the y value first. In order to get the x value first, you need to the y value to be equal to 0. For example, number 1, to get the x value, 4x plus 3y equals 12. So the 3y will be 3 times 0. So 3 times 0. So when you multiply a number to 0, so the answer will always be 0. So same to when you want to get the y value, the x will be equal to 0. For example, the first problem, 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. So 4 times 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. So this will be 4 times 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. So same in the other problems, you will just need to find or choose which to get first, the x or the y value, and you will get the final answer. So the final answer which will be your plotting points. So that's all. Thank you.
For the graph of number 2, ato tong i-graph ang mga nakuha ni Octaviano. Katong i-discuss niya, i-graph na to ang nakuha niya sa nga x o y sa 4x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 12 niya. Katong nakuha niya nga x and y pod sa 3x plus 6y is greater than or equal to 12, og sa 5x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 10. Katong nakuha niya mga xy ato i-graph. So which is mao ning makita niyo dire. Nya pagka di lang na ako i-explain, ang ako lang i-explain kaning number nga nakabutang sa graph nga wa sa discuss ni Octaviano ganina. So like for example aning 1, 2 open and close parenthesis. So mao nabutang na dira kay tungod ang shading ug ang line naka-attach silang tulo. Sila ging tulo ang naka-attach sa line ug sa shading or sa shading niya. Mao nang naay 1, 2, which is kana pod nga area diha ang iyang visible region. So aron di po maglibog ang kanang tulo ka line sa graph, ako nang gipamutangan og ilanan ang katong first graph niya katong 0, 4 og sa y niya kay 3, 0 kay sa x niya kay 3, 0 kay gibutangan ako ilanan ang yang arrow akong gibutangan og 4x plus 3y greater than or equal to 12 nga maupod sa ikaduha nga line sa graph kaning 3x plus 6y is greater than or equal to 12 nga ang last or ikatulo sa kaning linya sa graph kay 5x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 10. So That's all guys. Ay lang mo kalibog ang kanang nag-abot tayo nga linya imo nang butangan og dot kay para mailan nga dira pod nga area ang iyang feasible region.
One, this is the corner points of vertex, and this is the mean. So you can show the peak, and the solution set of the LP model is the x-axis beach sand equals to y-axis river sand equals 0 and cost 120 peso. That's all.